Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm sorry about my voice. I don't know what's going on with me, but my voice is kind of changing. I feel like a teenage boy and that's kind of weird. But give me a second, I'll turn it back. Better. What do you want? Today I'm gonna be doing a sort of unboxing. I got a Makeup Revolution order in 2 days ago. I made it last week when they had the mystery bags. If you don't know what that is, it's not called Makeup Revolution anymore, it's called Revolution Beauty, and they have this site that it's called revolutionbeauty.com where you can buy all of their products. They have a huge range of products from eyeshadow palettes, liners, mascara, lip products, everything. And once out every 3 months they do this thing where they give you a mystery bag, which means you buy from them, like you make a €30 or £35 purchase or something like that, and they will send you a bag completely free, full with €30 worth of makeup or €25 worth of makeup, it depends. There's been word going around that they're doing this to get rid of what was one of their lines, that is Freedom Makeup, and they're trying to get rid of the products with that brand so that they can sell with the Revolution Pro. They're supposed to be the same thing. I'm not quite sure about it. I mean, I guess they can be similar, but I'm not quite sure about it. So I bought a few things. One of them you've seen me use, and it's this Revolution Pro pore primer. This is a beautiful primer. It mattifies your skin, it's not sticky, and it's really inexpensive. Then I went out on a limb and tried this pencil. This is a Kajal pencil in black. Like, I don't know if you can see how black this is, because lately I've been having trouble with pencils. It's the summertime, and once you wear them they start like rubbing off in your face, and they give you kind of like tired, ugly look that you don't want to have. So this one has really good reviews. Let's give it a go. I bought this eyebrow pomade in the color Auburn, which is really cool considering not many brands have this color. I mean, you don't suffer because of it, you don't have difficulties, but it would be good to feel represented in those makeup products that make sense to us. I mean, whenever I have to wear a blonde or top or light brown eyebrow product, it's just like, it automatically makes people ask, but do you dye your hair? Because it doesn't match. It's a bit sad. So yeah, I got this product here. It's a reddish brown, as not to make it excessively orange, because not all redheads are orange heads like me. I got this white liner. I have never had a white liner, and I'm really curious to see how these will work out. So here's the swatch. The tip, it's silicone-y. It's not a brush. It feels really silicone-y. I don't know if you can see this. Like, it's a really silicone-y tip. And the last thing I got was this fixing spray, this hyaluronic fixing spray, which, if you can see, I don't know if you can see it, it's got a nice little... Oh my god! Let's see if I can make this. I like this spray. It's aggressive, yet it's not as aggressive as their former fixing sprays. Okay, so with it done, I also got this one. The mystery bag. So yeah. As you can see, it's like Join the Revolution mystery bag. Okay, so here I got a couple of things that I like and I don't. The first thing I got was this, which is the Ultra Base Corrector palette. You get this palette with these cream color correcting pans. I've never been one to use these because, to be honest, I was scared. I was scared of what it was gonna be, like green, purple, like where am I gonna use this? So yesterday I got to watch some videos on color correcting, how to use it, and I'm gonna try it right now that it's summer and that I don't want to wear that much foundation. Next I got this tiny little mini contour palette in the shade 02, which for my skin, I mean, is great, but if someone were to have deeper skin, I don't know how they would have been able to use this. These are the 3 colors, and if you put them on, you have something like this. I also got this lip product, which is the one that I'm wearing right now. I actually put this on like 2 or 3 hours ago, went on a bike ride, had a snack, had a full bottle of water because I was so thirsty, and this thing's completely on. It stayed on. It's really good. Then I got this, which is the Ultra Strobe Balm from Revolution. Once again, yeah, I like this product, but I'm not sure how to use strobe balms or strobe creams or cream highlighters. Are you supposed to use them on top of your foundation with no setting powder, or are you supposed to use them on their own? I once read about Khloe Kardashian wearing only like highlighter before she worked out, and she had this beautiful glowy look. The cool thing about these boxes is that if you are a new makeup artist or new at makeup and you're just trying, then you get a lot of free products that maybe you wouldn't have bought, and you can like experiment and say, oh, I like this, oh, I don't. Then this is one thing I really liked, but it's a bit powdery. It's like this trio for bronzer, contour, highlight sort of a situation, and this bronzer is really pigmented. It looks really cool, it looks really light. I saw it and I was like, meh. Then I went in and like, I don't know if you can see that it's this kind of pigment on my skin for a bronzer. That's a lot. Most surprising was this white powder. I don't know if you can see that. Like, it really shows. It really has a lot of pigment, which is something that many white powders don't. They're just like there. So the final 2 things I got were these 2 lip colors. One is the usual Revolution bullet type of a situation lipstick in Propaganda, and it's this beautiful creamy red, like I love you red. I wouldn't call it any other thing other than this I love you red. It's creamy, it's rich, it's pigmented, it's not deep, so even for the summer it's good. Yeah, okay, so I hate this camera, it keeps getting off, so I don't know what point I left. So the last product, as I was saying, that I got was this Pro Pink lipstick in Wildflower, which is 104, and it made me think to a box of products that I had bought previously, and they were all Revolution Pro, and I had gotten the set of pink lipsticks, which by the way are amazing. One of my favorites. I wear them every day, and like they stay on. Normal lipsticks that stay on like 5 hours. So I went ahead and took out my lipstick and compared it. Shades look similar, but they're not the same. When you open them, the one I had, it's this one, the 104, and this one they gave me. They look quite similar, but not really. Like the Freedom one looks shinier, glossier, and the Revolution Pro one looks more pigmented. So I tried them on both, I swatched them, and this is the result. One's richer, more pigmented. That would be the Revolution Pro one's more richer, more pigmented. While the Freedom one, it's still good, but it's more translucent, kind of like silicone-y. It's different. So I've been trying to end up this video for 6 times in a row, and I haven't been able to do it because I didn't focus. So I hope you guys liked it. I just wanted to share with you this opportunity that you can have by ordering from the Revolution website. They do this like free mystery boxes 3 months, 4 months or so. And I think they are a great opportunity if you want to try new products and don't have that huge budget. I think it's a good chance, at least for me it is, because I love having new stuff to play with. Let me kind of try these very different things that maybe I wouldn't if I were to spend all my money in pricey products. Don't get me wrong, I love pricey products as much as the next person, but given the choice, I would use these ones for the purposes of my channel and for my day-to-day activities, because these products are really just that good. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!